In these videos, I will create an ORM for MySQL using NodeJs and TypeScript. It will start really simple, just CRUD operations, then I will modify the code to allow subqueries, joins, and relations. I will not use classes, I will be using constructor functions and prototypes. Okay, I am in a directory called ORM code. I will start by running npm init with -y. I will open it with Visual Studio Code, and then I will build the code based on MySQL library. So I will install it, and I will install the types for it. npm install MySQL. npm install types MySQL with the flag for development dependencies. Then, since we are using TypeScript, I will add the configuration for it. config.json, sorry. I will just copy and paste it. CommonJS, the target, the resolution node. Everything will be compiled, and TypeScript compile will put it in a folder called dest. The base URL, the current directory, and we'll include everything in the source folder will be included. So we need to create it. Okay. To test it, I will just create index.typescript, sync function, sync function. Const sync function. I can't type. Okay. Since we added the configuration, I can just I have TypeScript compiler installed globally. I will just see it. Okay, it works. Here's the compiled version. So I will just add a script here. We'll call it watch. It will run TypeScript compiler with the watch flag. So npm run watch. Now everything we modify in the TypeScript, the index to TypeScript, will be applied here. So in the next video, I will start by creating the CRUD class. It will just take instructions and convert the instruction into SQL statement for create and insert, update, delete. Okay, bye.